muscle.
I'm not gonna pull a muscle. I'm flexible. Right, babe. Renegade, 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 renegade. Ooh, that renegade got me out of breath there.
Like cookies. You don't even
Are you drinking my water? Are you drinking my water? How does my water taste? Good? What if I told you I put a little drop of pee in there? How I thought I looked on Camo Spirit Day. Here, start the haul. What's the first thing you got?
Okay, let me just make sure that I got the right stuff first.
Oh, okay. What is that? Babe, ooh, they're messy. They're like those Nature Valley granola bars that like, there's a sandstorm every time you eat it. How is it? Let me have a bite. Give me a bite! Give me a bite! I wanted you to do one item, okay? Just one item. You wanna say, who's the Niners? Do it like if I was doing it. Okay. No. What do you think of those, bro?
They're basically granola bars. And I thought they were gonna be like a snack thing.
They're basically granola bars and you thought they were gonna be a snack thing. What is a granola bar?
Those coconut clusters. That's like it's like little miniature.
So you thought they were gonna be a dessert. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a Trader Joe's haul. I wasn't sure if you would want to see this Trader Joe's haul because I have lots of those on my channel, but I love to share food with you guys. Surprise, surprise. Sharing food is like one of my favorite things to do. So I did a poll on Instagram of whether I should do the Trader Joe's haul. I keep wanting to say Trader Joe's. On whether I should do the Trader Joe's haul or just skip it this time. And we got to see puppies yesterday. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw. Here. Oh my god, they were so cute. They really, really, really made me want a puppy. Anyways, God, I'm so ADD. I'm so ADD. What was I doing? Okay. Oh, I got more votes for no. And I'm guessing the reason that some people will put no is because they don't have a Trader Joe's. And that's the thing with Trader Joe's. Not everyone has. Babe, really? With the TV? Really? So that's the thing with Trader Joe's is not everyone has a Trader Joe's. But I did get 50 votes for yes. And then I got 6 for no. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the haul. Babe, please, come on! Mute it or pause it. You're so dumb. Okay, I'm starting the haul, so please mute or pause the TV. So, first thing I got, we get them all the time, that is bananas. I'm not gonna spend too much time on that. As you saw just now, Matt and I tested these puppies out. Granola layered with dark chocolate sprinkled with toasted coconut chips. So good, but they are very granola bar-y, but like a very indulgent granola bar because of the chocolate. Matt thought that they were gonna be like way sweeter, like a candy bar, but this is what I expected them to be, and they're good. Of course, I got our favoriteest yogurt, and I get a lot of it because we both eat once a day. Non-fat Greek yogurt. Focus! And this is in the coconut cream flavor and the vanilla bean flavor. And then I just got a purple onion because we are gonna be doing some barbecue chicken stuffed sweet potatoes, and I like to dice up some purple onion for that. And then I got this, which I'm really excited to try. It's gluten-free, quick cook, and it cooks in 2 to 3 minutes. Brown rice and quinoa pasta, and they're in the mini elbow shape. It's really hard to find gluten-free pasta in the macaroni shape. So I'm excited for those. I don't know what I'm gonna make with them, but. And then I got the broccoli and kale slaw salad. Y'all know that is my jam. Got 2 bags of avocados because I've been making Matt for his breakfast. I've been doing a slice of gluten-free toast, some ham, 2 eggs, mashed avocado, and then the everything but the seasoning, everything but the bagel seasoning on top, and he loves it. So I got plenty of avocado. I got some sweet potatoes for our barbecue chicken stuffed sweet potatoes. You could also do like a hot wing chicken stuffed sweet potato, really good. I'm making a broccoli salad. I got some apples because Matt has been loving having apples and peanut butter or apples or almond butter for his snack. I went ahead and got some more dates because Matt loves dates. He eats them as a snack with peanut butter. Ow, I'm having a chest pain. Oh, I'm dying. And then I got this fruit and vegetable wash from Trader Joe's. It removes waxes, pesticides, and chemicals. I am gonna make sure that I wash our fruits and vegetables from now on because you just don't think about that. Like, I don't know why I thought that just a little spritz of water was gonna get the dirt and the pesticides off of our produce. I got 2 strawberry lemonade kombuchas. Y'all know that I love my kombucha. I drink it every single day. It just really helps me maintain like a really good gut health, a really good environment in my gut. So I am very pro kombucha. And then Matt got some organic fair trade coffee beans that he's gonna grind up and use for coffee. I've been trying to be very conscious about our coffee as well. I wanted it to be organic and like from a good source because a lot of people don't realize that the K-Cup coffees, if they're not like from the best place, like as far as like how they're harvested, can have lots of chemicals on them and just unnecessary ingredients. And then we got the almond butter granola that we love. I get this all the time. I actually got 2 bags of this. And I'm trying this aqua kefir. It is a sparkling probiotic drink, and this is in the flavor orange, peach, mango. It's basically supposed to make sure you're really hydrated and replenish your gut health. So, excited about that. And then I got this same aqua kefir in a pink grapefruit. Ooh, and then I got unsweetened vanilla almond milk for my coffee. And then I just got some canned goods because I'm gonna make a chili for Matt. So I just got corn, organic black beans, organic kidney beans, cannelli beans, which is white kidney beans, diced tomatoes, and then I just got 2 cans of these fat-free refried beans, and then some pinto beans. And so the refried beans will be for taco night, and then the whole beans will be for our chili. And then of course I got some organic free-range chicken. I like to get the tender size because it's just easier for me to cook, and I like bite-sized chicken better than I like cutting and eating a breast. You wouldn't think that there's a huge difference, but there is a huge difference. And then I got some reduced sodium soy sauce. I've been doing a lot of Chinese food, Korean food around here, so I needed some more soy sauce. And then I got myself this coffee that I'm really excited for. It's the coffee grounds. It's French vanilla coffee grounds. And then I just got 2 bags of dried cranberries because I use them in our Brussels sprouts recipe too. And then I'm also making that broccoli salad that asks for dried cranberries. So I really just need to keep these on hand because they go in my vegetable recipes. So, and then I'm excited about this. This is the miso vegetable and brown rice saute kit. So it's a kit. Literally all you need to do is add a protein to it. So you could add like beef or chicken. And then I got this for Matt for him to just bring it to work. It is the Happy Trekking Trail Mix. And it has almonds, cashews, pistachios, chocolate, cranberries, and cherries. So by the sounds of that, it's a very, very high antioxidant trail mix. And then these are country potatoes, with haricot verts. I don't know what that is. And wild mushrooms. They kind of look like asparagus to me. So it just says that it's kind of fancy country potatoes. So be a good side, a good carb for us. And then we got this Shell House Sparkling Hard Cider. So these are 5% alcohol. They're supposed to be like White Claws. And were they cheaper, babe? He has his headphones in. I'm pretty sure they were cheaper than White Claws. So I'm excited to try these. And then Matt really enjoys drinking golden milk lattes, which I am all for because the main ingredient in a golden milk latte is turmeric, which is very anti-inflammatory, very good for you. Trader Joe's actually sells this turmeric ginger coconut beverage, which reminded us of a golden milk latte, but it's less work for me. So he wanted to get that and try it. And then I just got this Latin style black bean soup. It has garlic, chipotle, and sea salt. I'm gonna have to add a protein to that. I don't know, what should I add to black bean soup? I guess the protein is the black beans. I don't know, it just feels weird not having like a meat, but. And then I was really excited to get this. This is chili onion crunch and olive oil with dried garlic and peppers. The reason that I got this is because Liza Adele raves about this stuff. She like can't go without it, and I've heard really good things about it besides from her. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that. I'll let you know how it is. Matt also got another coffee. This is Chipa's Mexico Small Lot Coffee. It's a light roast with notes of caramel, dark chocolate, and dried fruit. Ooh, I might have to try that too. And I just got some bacon. This is no sugar, dry rubbed, uncured bacon, no preservatives, no nitrates. And the reason I got bacon is for Matt's breakfast sandwiches, but also it goes in that broccoli salad that I'm gonna make. And then I just got some almond butter, some organic mayo. We were completely out of mayo for like the past month. Then I got some artichoke hearts. I thought this would be really awesome to add to like veggie stir fries, salads. And then I got this island soyaki sauce. This sounded so good. And I feel like it's a really hyped item for Trader Joe's. So I'm super stoked to try that. And then I got some farm raised tilapia and some Alaskan cod. I love these because they're all farm raised. Wait, is farm raised good? No, farm raised isn't good. I think wild caught's good. Wait, this is wild caught. Alaskan cod fillets, wild caught. I think that's better. But this is farm raised tilapia. Do I want farm raised or wild caught? I don't know. Please tell me. Okay guys, that is it for my Trader Joe's haul. Let me know if you like videos like this. I know I do them often, but I just love sharing what I find at Trader Joe's. And let me know if you would like to see more of me using this stuff, like recipes for dinner time. I don't know, let me know. Just let me know what you'd like to see more of on my channel down below. So here's my haul. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.